What if I told you that one of the most astonishing engineering masterpieces on Earth wasn't built by humans? It wasn't made of steel, it didn't cost billions of dollars, and it doesn't even use electricity. In fact, it was built by an insect smaller than your fingernail. Even more surprisingly, in some ways, it's more impressive than the tallest skyscraper in the world. Let's find out why. Hello. Imagine two structures standing side by side. One is the tallest skyscraper on Earth, a structure built with billions of dollars, cutting-edge technology, and the efforts of thousands of engineers. The other is a mound of dirt built by tiny termites. At first glance, the winner seems obvious, but the closer you look, the more astonishing this comparison becomes. A modern skyscraper is built with steel, concrete, glass, and aluminum. Producing these materials requires enormous mines, giant factories, and massive amounts of energy. Constructing just one skyscraper can cost hundreds of millions or even billions of dollars. A termite mound, however, is built using nothing more than soil, the termites' saliva, and natural materials found in their surroundings. No human could build a house using only their own saliva. Simple materials. Extraordinary results. Building a skyscraper requires thousands of architects, engineers, construction workers, massive cranes, and heavy machinery. Years of planning and coordination go into completing such a project. A termite colony, on the other hand, has no architects, no blueprints, and no machines. Yet millions of termites work together with remarkable coordination. In mature colonies, the queen can lay thousands of eggs each day, and every termite plays a role in building, repairing, and expanding the colony. Now, here's where things become even more fascinating. The tallest building in the world stands about 828 meters tall. The tallest termite mounds reach only about 12 meters. At first, that doesn't sound very impressive, but remember, a termite is only about 1 centimeter long. Relative to its body size, a termite mound is comparable to a human constructing a building hundreds of stories high. That is truly an extraordinary engineering achievement. The Quran says, "And in the creation of yourselves and the creatures he has dispersed are signs for people who have certainty." Surah Al-Jathiyah. But perhaps the most amazing feature of a termite mound is something you can't even see. Its natural ventilation system. A skyscraper depends on powerful air conditioning units, ventilation ducts, and enormous amounts of electricity to keep its interior comfortable. A termite mound needs none of these. Its intricate network of tunnels allows air to circulate naturally, keeping the inside temperature remarkably stable, even when the outside temperature changes dramatically. This natural design is so effective that architects have studied termite mounds to inspire more energy-efficient buildings. And the surprises don't end there. Skyscrapers require constant inspections and extremely expensive maintenance to remain safe. Termites, however, repair and strengthen their home every single day. No contractors, no maintenance bills, just millions of tiny workers constantly improving their masterpiece. Inside a skyscraper, elevators transport thousands of people every day. Inside a termite mound, a complex network of tunnels allows millions of termites to move efficiently between food storage chambers, nurseries, and different parts of the colony. Everything operates with remarkable precision. The Quran also says, "And everything with him is by precise measure." Surah Ar-Ra'd. The skyscraper represents the pinnacle of human engineering. The termite mound reflects the incredible wisdom and engineering found in God's creation. One was built with billions of dollars. The other was built with nothing but ordinary soil. One depends on advanced technology. The other depends on the perfect design placed in nature by God. Perhaps the greatest lessons in life are hidden within the smallest of creatures. All we have to do is open our eyes and see.